Welcome to Learn to Grow You, Larrier's Education and Resource Network, where when you learn, you're planting seeds that will help you grow. Today's seed moment has to do with the motherfold or the shutterfold. Remember how we made the shutterfold? It was the portrait orientation folded into one hamburger fold, turning it back to the portrait orientation, opening it up, folding the edges into the center, and creasing. Now I'm going to show you how the shutterfold can be used for different purposes. Here in math, I was teaching the difference between negative numbers and whole numbers. And of course, 0 would be at the center of the shutterfold so that students can take examples from real-world print or magazines, newspapers, books that they may see, and place examples of the information on the insides. In social studies, this shutterfold talked about Russia before the Bolshevik Revolution and after the Bolshevik Revolution. Inside, I've actually glued a sheet of notebook paper so that students can do some long writing to compare what happened before and what happened after. A bit of an essay inside of a shutterfold. Again, in social studies, we're actually comparing and contrasting Sumerian versus Akkadian people and how it was affected with the Tigris and the Euphrates. Here are some of my students' work. They were talking about modern day inventions and some of the people that they decided to highlight. On the inside, they had images and little snippets of information about different people. In vocabulary, I was teaching the student compound words. Inside, I took some real-world print cut from a newspaper that I knew were compound words. I glued them on the inside at the midpoint of where the two words would be connected. As I open up one side of the shutterfold, you'll see words that can stand alone. Line, law, grown, rip, school, under, where, some, and ball. Close that and then isolate the other part of the words. Students will be able to see that these parts of the words can stand alone as well. Up, suit, ups, tide, kids, standing, ever, one, and park. Now, as I reveal both doors, students can see that those two parts of the word actually make an entire new word. I really enjoy utilizing shutterfolds to isolate, highlight, describe, and explain information. And that's our seed moment for the day.